Well, it's a very pleasant start to our Tuesday morning, and this will probably be the most pleasant day of the week with temperatures getting up to around 80 degrees. And in Helena, we will also see those temperatures topping out at 80 degrees as we look live from that Helena Opportunity Bank of Montana weather cam. We're seeing more sunshine than we did yesterday morning. And those winds are a little bit lighter for today, anywhere between about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And they'll kind of stay on the lighter side throughout this afternoon. There is a chance for a few gusts of around 15 to 20 miles an hour, but lots of sunshine in store for Great Falls and down towards Helena, with very low end rain chances in the mountains. There's a chance for an isolated shower near Helena, but the rest of us will be dry. We do have a southwest flow coming into the state. That's what's helping to warm our temperatures up. That's also going to bring some moisture into southeast Montana, so there's a chance for a couple of stronger thunderstorms in that part of the state. But central Montana, we have no concerns for any wet weather today. And looking ahead to our longer range forecast, we have a lot of heat in the east. Luckily, we're dealing with relatively cooler weather across the west, especially for the second part of the week, as we'll see a disturbance passing through that's going to bring better chances for a couple of showers and storms during the afternoon and evenings on Thursday and Friday. And then we will start to heat things up into next week. We'll see this high pressure ridge amplifying over the west, and that's going to keep our weather pretty hot through most of next week, leading up to 4th of July on Friday. We'll also see chances for some storms after Monday of next week. Now, eastern Montana does have a level 1 risk for severe weather today. I think the majority of that severe weather would stay to the south of I-90 with potentially some strong wind gusts and hail. The rest of us looking at nice sunny weather for today. There will be a few clouds that will brush Fergus County, and also for the Rocky Mountain front, we could see a few clouds into this afternoon, but an otherwise sunny and dry day for us. And again, those wind speeds will generally be between about 5 to 10 miles an hour throughout the morning, picking up a little bit into this afternoon. And you can see there will be a few isolated areas where we could see some stronger wind gusts getting over 20 miles an hour. Most of us into the 70s to around 80 degrees for this afternoon. Pretty typical late June weather. And on the high line, we have a nice day ahead for you as well. 77 for Shelby, and we could see a few spots hitting the lower 80s for this afternoon. Now, looking ahead to the rest of the week, we heat up into Wednesday. We'll be into the mid 80s, and then there's those chances for some showers and storms Thursday and Friday, and temperatures will cool slightly towards the upper 70s, but a beautiful weekend ahead. If you have some plans outside, we'll be in the upper 70s, low 80s, but then we do start to spike up next week into the upper 80s, maybe even some 90s possible. And for Helena, you've got a nice couple of days ahead, low 80s, and then we drop to the 70s for the end of the week with isolated to scattered storms. A sunny and warm weekend ahead, and then we start to crank up the heat next week. Temperatures will likely hit the upper 80s and low 90s.
Great Falls International Airport is leasing 3 acres of their land to someone hoping to keep Great Falls kids active and engaged in their community.